planting the expensive plants. The ginger is too expensive here in Italy. Because I love to use ginger in my kitchen, so I said why not to plant it and have my own plant. So here is my ginger start sprouting. After 2 weeks, I am so happy looking this plant like I win a lotto. After 15 days, I noticed the first leaves. I smiled even I am alone. I said oh hello you. And every day grows big. On this photo the plant completely had 2 leaves. Looking forward to know how many ginger in one plant. But perhaps end of August the plant ready to harvest. Shout out to my mother who teach me how to plant. And to my partner always there to give me moral support. Planting is one of my happiness in life. Here is the last photo of my ginger. I will update the time of harvest. Now I will take you to the place of our friends to relax a little bit. The place is so relaxing, what do you think?
Did you hear that? Tweet, 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 tweet. Swimming tayo? Hmm? Ah,
So happy to pick your own fruit.
magpitas, magpitas. Kahit pa isa-isa lang yan eh.
Then something happened. I heard a bird. But where? Let's find it. Seems it a baby bird.
Morning! It's raining here. But so nice because every day is hot and too hot and warm, so you wish sometimes uh, the day like this. So mapapasayaw ka talaga pag ganito ang panahon. Yes. Sa inyo lahat, kamusta kayo? Sa aking mga mapagmahal na subscriber, shout out sa inyo lahat.
Okay, let's find the bird. Look where come from the tweet. Here you go, she is in her driveway. And a baby one. She's trying to fly. Go ahead, time to help. Don't worry, she don't go anywhere. She waiting you to help or she waiting her mother?
I think baby. Need but before he's plucking to fly.
Yeah.
So cute. You're so cute. Fly now. You want milk.
No, I don't drink milk, dear.
You drinking?
Yeah.
Perhaps like that hand. Put in your hand that water.
No. It was cleaning itself.
You want to fly?
Yeah, that's probably fell out the nest.
You're still hot.
Put it. Okay. Where are we going to put you, eh? Where are we going to put you?
In our house.
We put her in a highest location and her mother come and get her. Happy for her. Thank you guys for watching.